Best skills to learn for the future. Skills that were once essential to jobs have become automatable, creating a space where people must develop new professional skills to stay valuable. While you might think that your job isn't at stake, automation has found its way into nearly every industry across businesses. Nearly 47% of jobs in the US could be replaced with smart machines and automation in the coming years. Now's the time to think about what skills and practices you can develop to ensure that your career will be safe in the future. Hiring organizations have reported a serious skills gap in current and prospective employees. From hard skills to soft skills, high-level executives report that they believe 92% of Americans are underskilled. In fact, executives even believe that 44% of Americans are lacking essential soft skills including collaboration, critical thinking, and communication. 1. Artificial intelligence. You don't need to work in the artificial intelligence (AI) field to expect to encounter AI in your workplace. Software like hyperautomation and business intelligence, both examples of process automation enhanced by artificial intelligence, regularly rank among some of the top business technology trends lists. These technologies are being employed across digitally transformed companies, which now account for approximately 70% of businesses. These technologies are transforming the way businesses function, enhancing the need for employees with artificial intelligence experience across industries. 2. Coding. Coding has quickly become one of the most sought-after skills people can learn. Computing languages serve a variety of purposes and can be applied to almost any job. At this point, coding has become so dominant across industries that experts argue that coding might soon be a basic life skill. Learning to code is one skill that could take some time. The specific computing language you want to become literate in will determine how long it takes you to learn to code. If you want to learn to code, start by looking at different types of computer languages and consider how relevant they would be to your career. 3. Cloud computing. Cloud computing is a safe way to store and manage company data that also enables remote access to company platforms. The technology has become one of the best ways to leverage and store data securely, making it popular across several companies. If you develop cloud computing skills, you offer the ability to advise your employer on how to best manage their cloud. From remote data storage to multi-cloud computing, understanding the different aspects of the cloud and its possible uses will make you valuable to any company. 4. UX design. The internet continues to grow as the main source for consumers to find information and products. While it's important for companies to host a website so that consumers can find them and their products, it doesn't matter unless they can keep consumers on their site. User experience (UX) design is essential to keeping users on a website. Bad UX design can lead to high bounce rates, which costs companies money. Companies have shifted their focus to UX design in order to stay competitive in the future. Having UX design skills shows employers that you are invested in ensuring users have a good experience. Companies value this skill and mindset, as it proves to be applicable across the board. 5. Communication. Communication skills are important for employees at any level within a company to have. Effective communication is essential to company-wide success. Companies where leaders possess strong communication skills are reportedly making a 47% higher return, compared to competitors with poor communication. Companies desire employees with effective communication skills, including verbal and written, to increase revenue return rates. You can develop your communication skills by learning how to effectively speak to groups and individuals through online and in-person soft skill development courses. Thanks for watching our video.